In a major shocker, the Reserve Bank of India has imposed stringent restrictions on New India Cooperative Bank, leaving numerous depositors in turmoil. What events led to this drastic measure? Let's explore the sequence of incidents that precipitated this crisis. New India Cooperative Bank operated 28 branches, primarily in the Mumbai region. However, beneath its trusted exterior, significant financial irregularities are said to have unfolded. The Mumbai police on 15 February registered a case against the bank's former general manager Hitesh Praveen Chand Mehta for allegedly siphoning Rs 122 crore from its treasury. Between 2020 and 2025, Hitesh Mehta, the bank's general manager and head of accounts, allegedly orchestrated a substantial embezzlement scheme, diverting approximately Rs 122 crores from the bank's treasuries at the Prabhadevi and Goregaon branches. This misappropriation severely undermined the bank's financial stability as per sources. Upon uncovering these discrepancies, the Reserve Bank of India intervened decisively. On Feb 13, 2025, the RBI imposed immediate restrictions on the bank, suspending all loan disbursements and freezing withdrawals to protect depositors' interest. The RBI has prohibited the bank from granting or renewing loans and advances, making fresh investments, borrowing funds or accepting new deposits, disbursing payments except for essential expenses such as salaries, rent, and utility bills, selling, transferring, or disposing of its assets without prior RBI approval. The following day, the RBI superseded the bank's board of directors, appointing Shrikant, the former chief general manager of the State Bank of India, as the administrator for a 12-month period. The RBI has also appointed a committee of advisors to assist the administrator in discharging his duties. Concurrently, the Economic Offences Wing of the Mumbai Police initiated a criminal investigation. An FIR was registered against Hitesh Mehta and his associates for criminal breach of trust and conspiracy. The case has been transferred to the EOW for an in-depth probe into the misappropriation. The immediate aftermath saw hundreds of distressed customers flocking to the bank's branches seeking information about their hard-earned savings. While the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation insures protection for deposits up to Rs 5 lakh, many customers with higher balances still face a huge uncertainty.
25 लाख दिसंबर में डाला है, अभी बोला 5 लाख मिलेगा आपको, मतलब 20 तो गया मेरा।
मैं सोसाइटी का सेक्रेटरी हूँ। माई मनी इज इनसाइड द लिमिट, बट माई सोसाइटी मनी डिपॉजिट्स आर देयर, FDs आर देयर, their problem will be created.
The New India Cooperative Bank crisis underscores the critical need for transparency and robust regulatory frameworks in the banking sector. As the situation evolves, depositors and stakeholders alike anticipate a swift and equitable resolution, ensuring the security of their finances and trust in the system.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.